Are you struggling to get your ggmap route data to follow the actual road paths? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, especially when visualizing routes with complex curves. Today, we're going to tackle this problem together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your route visualization doesn't match the roads. It can feel like you're trying to navigate a maze instead of a straightforward path. But don't worry, we will find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user mentioned that while using the ggmap route function with DC Capital bike share data, the route paths do not follow the roads accurately, especially the curved ones. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can fix this. So, what's causing this issue? The ggmap package calculates routes based on a set of coordinates, but sometimes it doesn't account for the intricacies of road paths, especially in urban areas. We'll explore how to tweak your code for better results. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can enhance your mapping projects even further. To improve the route paths so they follow the roads more accurately, the user should consider using the route function with a higher level of detail. This can be achieved by adjusting the parameters in the function call. Next, the user can enhance the route calculation by specifying additional options. For example, they can set the alternatives parameter to true, which allows the function to return multiple routes. After adjusting the parameters, the user should rerun the route calculations. This will generate new routes that are more aligned with the actual road paths. Finally, the user should visualize the updated routes on the map. They can do this by using the same ggmap function to plot the new routes. Fun fact, did you know that the first maps were created over 4,000 years ago? They were hand-drawn and often inaccurate, just like some of our early mapping attempts with ggmap. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the decode line function within the do.call to create the long routes data frame. This function decodes the encoded polyline data, allowing the route paths to follow the actual road paths more accurately. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always visualize your routes after making adjustments. This will help you catch any inaccuracies early on and refine your code for better results. And there you have it. With these tweaks, your ggmap routes should now follow the road paths more accurately. Remember, mapping is an art and a science. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.